This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Valina Crook less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862. The joy of homeownership. This is a bright and cheery home, in a great neighborhood, that is close to town and has easy access to the highway. The floor plan is open with plenty of living place and storage. The kitchen is updated with granite countertops and has warm hardwood floors and plenty of cabinets. The dining area opens open to the backyard that is perfect for entertaining. Outside the yard is fenced and has a covered patio. There is plenty of room to create your perfect outdoor oasis. Inside is nice and cozy with 3 large bedrooms and 2 spacious bathrooms. The home has been recently painted inside and out, updated windows and a new heat and air system has been installed. Bring your finishing touches and make this your home today. For more information, review the details below or contact Valina Crook less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862 at 209-532-6993.